this video, I'm going to explain how you can add money to your Cash Card. So basically how this works is once we have loaded up Cash App here, we want to click on the banking icon in the bottom left corner, and then you will see an option to add cash right here. So once selected, we can choose the amount that we want to add onto our cash card. For example, let's say we want to load it up with $100. We will select this option and click on add $100. Now, if you have a debit card linked here, you will simply have to confirm the transaction. And basically how this works is that once you have the balance added to your Cash App here, and you are able to see it here in your cash balance, then that means that you have also added it onto your cash card. So they are linked together, and basically once you use your cash card to pay, then the amount will be deducted from your cash balance here on the main page of Cash App. So I hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.